Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexia Leanne if this is your very first time here. Before we get started, I'm asking you guys to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. So today I wanted to do a video on eyeliner. I know I did a video on the past on how to apply eyeliner, but this one I really wanted to get in depth, like different ways you can apply eyeliner to change the shape of your eyes. I'm going to do two different techniques on that, so you guys watch closely. Maybe you can learn a trick or two, or maybe you guys can teach me by commenting on a different way that you apply your eyeliner. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, you know what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some concealer, and you know which one that one is. That is my Tarte. I will link this one up above if you want to know anything about this Tarte concealer that I've been raving about. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply that to my eyelids. Now, I just really wanted to just set this for, I'm really not doing eyeshadows today. I'm just applying my eyeliner, but I still like the consistency and how it makes my eyeliner pop. So that is why I'm applying my concealer. Usually I will go ahead and set this as well, but since I'm not doing eyeshadow, I'm just going to skip this step. But it helps if you set your concealer with the powder so it won't crease. So basically I'm just being lazy apparently. So today I will be using my Stila. Now this is my waterproof, what is this one? My waterproof liquid eyeliner. This is my favorite, all-time favorite eyeliner. On the previous video that I posted, I used a Maybelline. I love the color that because it was blue, but that one, it tends to dry out and I hardly ever use it, but this one, it just stays. I love a felt tip eyeliner. I like it more than the gels and the liquid. I'm trying to see if it'll focus, but it felt, let me see. Yes, that is a felt tip, and that is my absolutely favorite. So on one side I'm going to do like more of a rounded look, what we're usually all used to, and it's usually referred to like the cat eye. So again, I still use my pointing finger if you had watched my first eyeliner video, and I'll be sure to link that one up above as well so you can kind of see. But I'm really going to update this video to kind of show you guys how I do my eyeliner, because there's always different techniques on how you want your eyeliner. If you want it dressy, if you want it casual, if you just want it to open up your eyes, you know, there are different ways to do it. So I'm going to first draw like a little line going up. I always start on the outer corner of my eye and just basically flick that up. And then I don't want to go like at the very top because I don't want that part to be thick. So I'm going to come down a little bit, like probably like midways. And basically I just drew my line all the way to my inner part of my eye right there. And then I'm just going to fill this in. And then I'm just going to kind of critique this, make it more crisp. I'm kind of making sure my line is like where I want it. Okay, so this side is more of a rounded. I just really follow my eye shape on this one, on this side. Y'all, I must say this looks pretty doggone good. usually, you know, your eyeliner doesn't turn out exactly how you want to, or mine doesn't on camera. So I'm just really shocked on how I really just did that there. Okay, so on this other side, I'm going to do another technique, and this is the one I really just love now. It really elongates my eyes, make it more of an almond shape, and it's easy to do as well. So I'm going to, again, use my index finger. And with this one, I'm going to make that tail just a tad bit longer. Again, I still use the outer corner of my eye to draw my line up as well. And I think I'm going to make it a tad bit longer. Let's see if I can even this up. Okay. So then I'm going to still use that same technique and come out right here, not at the very point, because I do not want that part any thicker than what it is. And that's really what I want to do. I want to stop like midways in between my eye. So then I'm just going to kind of fix this a little bit. And when you're doing this, your eyeliner, you want to make sure that you're basically looking downward. So you can make sure that you really hit those points and you're going basically to your eye line. And for me, I kind of like, since we're doing it like halfway, I kind of like to make it disappear into my eye, so it looks like it just kind of faded away, instead of just look like I just stopped and then you can exactly tell where my eyeliner is. So guys, again, this is the rounded side. It's still very beautiful cat eye, and this one is the I guess it elongated my eye and it made it like an almond shape. So I really, really love this. So I'm going to let you guys look at this up close, see if you see a difference. So again, you're still doing the cat eye, the little tails on each side, but it's just for the eyeliner, for the purpose of this video, it's just like basically where you're starting and where you're beginning. So to kind of fix up my eyes, I'm going to be using my Maybelline. And this is my eyeliner that I always go to for my pencil. So we can do some other things with these eyes as well. And it looks so weird that I'm having two eyeliner designs on my eyes. And usually when you're in a rush, this is how they look anyway. Like they're never equal. So this is how you usually look. I'm just kidding. Practice makes perfect. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to go into my waterline, but usually I love to make my eyes deeper by going under my waterline first. And that basically covers up any openings that you'll see, like your eyelids. So that helps with that. I'm going to do this one as well. But I'm going to do this one pretty much halfway. Try not to poke myself in the eye, because being lazy once again, need to sharpen this pencil. And I think that's what I'm going to do. So guys, you see how that kind of deepened up that eyeliner on both sides. And then I'm going to, for this side, my rounded eye, I'm going to still come all the way down with this eyeliner. And then I'm going to come halfway with this one. Okay guys, so I'll let you look at the difference with these. Now, one thing with eyeliner, if you already have small shape eyes, I wouldn't recommend taking black eyeliner and going all the way to your inner dot right there, because it makes your eyes seem smaller than what they are. Now, my people with the bigger eyes, they might want to do that, but people with the smaller eyes, I do not recommend that. And you might want to use a white eyeliner, and that helps open up your eyes as well. And again, this is the eyeliner. I'm going to put on some mascara. You can throw on some pretty lashes with this. Okay guys, so I'm not really going to coat my lashes though, but I just wanted to show you guys again which is which. Again, this is the rounded side and this is the elongated side that make my eyes look like an almond shape. Made it look, this is just more my everyday now if I do eyeliner. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up today's video on the different eyeliner techniques that I have came across that I really like. Again, this is the rounded eye and this is the elongated that make my shape look like an almond shape. Obviously there are more techniques out than these, but these are two most popular ones that I like. You can titrate them any way that you see fit. Thinner, thicker, for any event. You know, eyeliner always makes your face to me because it opens up your eyes. But like I said, always do what you want. Do what's best for you. Do what's best for your eye shape. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification. Comment your thoughts below. Share it with someone that needs help with eyeliner. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.